silly mood, ready to teach you how to do a hand roll with one hula hoop. To do this, you need to start with your palm facing down, gripping the hula hoop. We're going to start with a thumb leading hand roll, which means the hoop's going to come through the thumb side of the hand. Okay, let's have a look at it in real time and then I'll break it down and teach it. And once in slow-mo. Alright, so the thing to know about rolls, any kind of rolls, whether they're on your chest, on your forearm, on your hand, doesn't matter where you're rolling, it all comes from a really solid base. So the first thing I need you to do is place your feet on the ground, pretty much underneath your hips or somewhere close to there. Toes point forward, knees point forward, hips point forward. Switch it all on, yeah? Grip the ground with your toes, suck the knees up into the thighs and squeeze the bottom. We want a really strong, stable body so that this roll gets a really clear message of where we want it to go. It doesn't really matter what size your hoop is, although for a straighter, longer arm, which kind of gives, I don't know, I like the look of these kind of hand rolls with a straight arm. You just need a hoop that won't touch the ground. But if your hoop does touch the ground when it's in front of you like this, you can just bend your elbow a little bit and go for a swing here. So step one is nice solid body. Step two is we're going to just practice swinging the hoop in front of the body so that it goes directly in front of the toes. We want that hoop traveling in a nice straight line in front of the toes. I want you to start to notice, so really keeping a tube-like grip on the hoop, don't place your thumb here, really tubey. And just start to notice when the hoop comes up, get enough momentum that it comes up and you can feel it press into the flesh in your thumb V just here. You can feel it press. It's kind of like it wants to keep going but your hand's in the way. It wants to keep going but your hand's in the way. Nice clean line. The next step is when it is sort of up and it's going over, I'm just going to use my hand so I can demonstrate. It's on its way up, it's going over, you're going to let go and flatten out your hand. Really spread your fingers wide. You can see that it's wide, wide, wide. Palm faces the ground. That way what happens is the hoop comes up, you let it go, flatten the hand, it's going to roll across the back of the hand, and as it falls off the other side, thumb points to the ground and you catch the hoop here. In real time and in slow-mo, nice and close. Let's have a little go of that. It's not a throw, yeah? Start to swing the hoop. It's not a throw. You're going to feel into it. You really want to feel it press into that thumb V, into the flesh there. As it's already on its way over, you're going to let go, flatten the hand and catch. Let go, flatten the hand and catch. You should feel contact all the way through this movement. So it comes up, contact, 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 catch. Contact, 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 catch. Yeah, one thing that I see go wrong for people is they fling out with too much oomph, so they go, huh, and it kind of goes like, kind of goes flying and almost like you lose that contact. So you really want to breathe out as you release the hoop, stay really grounded down, and it's a, yeah, it should be quite a connected, strong, slow movement. You're not trying to throw it over your hand. It's like you're almost trying to catch it in a balance on the back of the hand, so you need full contact. It's not really a balance, but if you think of it like that, it might help you find that stickiness in the movement. Of course, once you've got it on one side, you can have a practice on the other. The other thing that's really great to do once you've got the concept is have a little practice of doing the hand roll in the side plane. So I like to do this on the opposite side of my body as the hand that's holding it. So I start with my thumb pointing down at the ground, hoops out in front of me, and I drop it down below the body just here. So now we're swinging along the side body. As it comes up and over, hand roll and recatch. Some people find it easier to do a hand roll in the side plane. Some people find it easier to do the hand roll in the front plane. So yeah, thumb pointing down, past the hip, push up and over. So you can also practice this in the side body down here. I'm going to chop my head off just to show you this. So you swing it in the side body, same side of the body as the hand that's holding it. And as it comes up, flatten the hand and grab. So this time we're shooting the fingers straight out to the side. Swing, swing up and flatten the hand and over. Up and over. Up and over. Side body. So this is other side body, so crossing the arm in front of the belly. Up and over. And it's these three variations of the thumb leading hand roll that is going to be really useful for two hoop tech down the track. Just as a quick recap, swinging the hoop in front of the toes, arm comes across the body up and over in the roll. Swing the arm beside the body, same thing again. Hoop comes up and over in the hand roll, and swing the hoop on the opposite side body, up and over into the hand roll. The only other thing that I'll add here is it's really nice to practice this with as straight an arm as possible, because then you can start to play with extensions. So instead of just being straight in front of the body here, you can come across, straight arm extension, hand roll, and then push out to catch. So you get these nice big pushy hand rolls, sticky. Maybe sticky is a better word. It feels like it sticks and then you push. It's going to stick and push. For this one, if you do decide to try it, there's a real pull back. Last little recap. Front plane, swing up and roll. Front plane across, swing up and roll. Side plane, swing up and roll. Swing in front, up and roll. Yeah? Opposite side body, side plane. Swing up and roll, swing up and roll. That, my friends, is a thumb leading hand roll in the front plane, side plane, and opposite side plane of the body. These are super fun to play with. Enjoy. If you liked it, let me know. Give me a little thumbs up. Feel free to share it, and any questions, pop a comment below. Of course, I'm happy to help. I'll see you next time. Happy hooping.